Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HS01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HS01 is emitting a burning smell, it's likely due to a malfunctioning motor or debris caught in the fan. Ignoring this issue can lead to further damage, potentially causing your vacuum to overheat or stop working altogether. It's best to address this problem promptly to avoid costly repairs down the line. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson HS01, and a pair of tweezers. To begin, make sure your vacuum is unplugged. Carefully lay the Dyson HS01 on a flat surface. Using the appropriate screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be cautious while prying the panel open to avoid damaging any clips. Once the back panel is off, you'll see the motor compartment. The motor is usually located on the lower part of the device and may have some dust or debris around it. It's essential to disconnect any wires attached to the motor carefully, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After disconnecting the wires, you will need to remove the screws securing the motor in place. Use a gentle but firm motion to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of the compartment. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components while doing this. Now, take your replacement motor and position it into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reattach the screws to secure the motor in place. Reconnect the wires according to the notes you made earlier. After everything is back in place, carefully reattach the back panel, ensuring all clips are securely in position. Finally, plug in your Dyson and turn it on to verify that it's functioning correctly without any burning smell. If you notice anything unusual, it might be best to consult a professional. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean the filters and ensure that no debris is clogging the motor or fan areas. Avoid using your Dyson for prolonged periods without breaks, as overheating can lead to motor failure. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.